need no introduction anymore. So I'll be very brief. I also thank you for organizing this this special session. I really appreciate the different collaborations here with Small Cell Forum and ORAN. So ORAN, as you know, we have signed a memorandum of understanding this year only. That was announced at Mobile World Congress earlier this year. And as Prabhakar was mentioning, with a Small Cell Forum, we have a bit of a longer history. And I want to focus here on the FAPI implementation in OAI. So I already mentioned this yesterday in the talk. I just want to mention a little bit more details here that I think are relevant. So there is FAPI in OAI. And today we're using a kind of an old version of the FAPI. So most of the interoperability work has been done with NVIDIA, with the NVIDIA aerial layer 1, and so they were mostly driving this development, and they use the version 2 of the FAPI with some extensions, fixes, and backports from version 4. So that is nice, and that works today with OpenAirInterface. But now we would like to bring it to the next level. So this is pure FAPI, so it uses a shared library, inter-process communication, shared memory to communicate between the layer 1 and the layer 2. We also have NFAPI that has been contributed to OAI, but there we've never managed to test any interoperability with a third party. So we have some interoperability between OAI VNF and OAI PNF, but that was never tested with a third party. So now, if we want to look a bit more in the future, and here's actually here the three organizations come, I think, beautifully together. So as you know, ORAN specifies different offloading profiles. So they have specified both layer 1 inline offloading as well as look-aside. But their specification doesn't go into it's not a stage 3 specification. It's a stage 2 specification. And this is exact, but they do refer, for example, for the layer 1, for the inline layer 1 offloading, they do refer to the Small Cell Forum FAPI as a possible stage 3 implementation. And this is exactly where OpenAirInterface comes into place. So what we want to be is we want to be the reference implementation for this offloading. And so that's one aspect. And the second aspect is that we want to bring it to the next level in the sense that we want to be able to support the latest FAPI specification. So now I think we're at version 6 or even 7. And we actually do have an initial seed code that was contributed by Qualcomm for the FAPI version 6. But for the moment, that's not being used because we're not, we're not there yet. So that brings me to my wish list. What we would like to have to drive the development and to bring it forward is we'd like to have a layer 1 inline accelerator that actually talks FAPI version 6. And of course, then we will also be able to implement this in OpenAir, hopefully with the support of the community. And yeah, with this, I want to stop here and thank you.